How you going, guys? Back again. Cooking with Dita. Dita here on making some fried eggs. There's a nice bit of butter in there. And of course it's getting a bit warm. You can see it's starting to change colour. Okay, take it off the heat. It's a nice induction cooktop. It goes well. I love it. One of the best things I've bought in a long while. Okay, making some fried eggs and toast for my son and for myself. So here we go. Alright, you guys got to get used to using butter. Butter's good. Butter's excellent. For those, I've even had friends of mine who've had gout, and they do fabulous once they start taking butter again. Butter helps a lot with gout problems. And so does eating eggs. Eggs is good. Eggs are great. You need the cholesterol. Anybody tells you don't need cholesterol, shoot them. No such luck. And of course, if you can still see the yolk, there's not enough pepper. Himalayan rock salt and pepper are very important. Look at that. Beautiful. That's how you're supposed to have an egg, guys. You want fried eggs and toast? That's your eggs. Throw the toast on. Toast is cooking. Plates. Plates are out. Move that across. And that's our meat for tonight. Mrs. is making some lasagna, so nice big load of meat for 4 big people got to feed. Love it. Alright. A small pan trying to turn them over. It's difficult. Whee! Oops, cracked that one. We like our yolk soft. Yep. Ta-da! Oh, I busted that one too. Not good. Sunny side over. But you're seeing it. It's butter. Beautiful. See all that butter? A1. A1 to the butter. You got to have the butter. Now, butter and eggs, of course, full of cholesterol. Full of stuff you need to keep your heart going. Your heart is a living 98% cholesterol body. Muscle. It needs fuel. It needs food. The cells that are in the heart need food. They're working so hard. And then, of course, you do as some stupid doctor tells you to do, and reduce your cholesterol. What sort of idiot is he? Guarantee he's having eggs. Alright. You don't have to believe doctors, you know, you can actually look for yourself. You get on the internet and go have a look at the advantages, the pros and cons. Find out what is good for you, what isn't good for you. I guarantee you'll find that. Look at that, look at the pepper on that. Fantastic. You will find, if you look at this, quite a few doctors actually now doing videos on YouTube about the advantages of high cholesterol diet. Okay, turn that off for a sec. I'll put mine in a second. I've got to get the toast out there. I'll show you on the last video, but I'll show you on this video again. Okay, you're looking for softer butter. Here in Australia and New Zealand we have this one which is called Mainland, and this is still all butter. All they've done is taken the butter solids out, the fat solids, so it makes it soft. Still gets too hard to spread if you have it in the fridge, so we don't leave it in the fridge. We leave it out on the kitchen bench. All right, beautiful butter. And where's our toast? Just waiting for the toast to come out. But butter, very healthy for you. Okay. Have lots of it. Do not, and I repeat, do not get butter blends. Any oil that has to turn into a butter, they turn into a butter. As soon as you turn the oil into a butter, you're making it toxic for the human body. Doesn't matter whether it's peanut oil, whether it's coconut oil, olive oil. If you turn it into a margarine, it is toxic. Okay, here we go. For those that are not used to having butter, and I know most of you aren't, this is how you're supposed to have butter. Okay, it's a lost art. Most people don't do it anymore. I see people get one bit of butter and spread it over 3 or 4 toasts. There you go. That's your butter. Oh, but then we go through so much butter in a day. Oh, God. Well, geez. We go through one of these tubs every week. More so sometimes, depending on how much stuff we're making. But I've got the tub, and I buy, for the cooking, I buy the big butter. Okay, big 300 gram. We go through 2 of those a week, and 1 of these a week. All right, at least in butter, and we're all pretty healthy. May have a little bit of weight on us, but we're all healthy. All right. Anyway, that's it. That's cooking with eggs, or cooking eggs. Cooking with Dita. Dita Soegemeier is my name. And that's how you set up eggs, toast, and butter. You know, real, natural butter. We churn it up. We do not make it. We do make butter, but it comes from a natural product. It comes from milk. Okay? It is a natural product. We're not changing it. We're not filtering it. We're not, processing it in any other way than what has been done for the last 1,000 or more years. Okay? Nothing fantastic. Just churn it up and eat it. Eat butter. Very important. Very good. Very healthy for you. Eat real butter. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming along. And please, the down that way, subscribe button, and just there is the like button. The like button's about there somewhere, and the subscribe button's over there. If you would, be very much appreciated. Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye.